Running. Oh, the black gold for pigeon, not for rabbits.
Yeah, there's savage fucking shell.
I know, I've loads of them. What are you seeing here? It's a big one over there. We don't want shoot in there though.
Not allowed.
More over there. Oh, we can, yeah, but just I think there's a cow. There's a cow in here. And there's something in here last day anyway. Look at your man running across the road, across the field. I get ready. There's a few of them up there.
Where?
Just at the end. Now something might jump out in front of you before we get there. Yeah. Just be ready. That's grand. Now the inside, that see the gate in front of you?
Yeah.
There's cows in there. See the cow?
Yep.
So don't shoot into the horse that gate. Just keep it low before that. So that rabbit there that's sitting there, that's probably the furthest back at you.
Yeah, just keep it shot low, and
yeah.
It's only a baby, isn't it?
A lot of them are because there's so many here. Which might get something running that way.
Come towards us.
Yeah, actually that cow is fairly close to the hedge. Maybe don't shoot him. There, go for him. Go for him. Ah, he's got.
I'm expecting to come over here. Like, look.
Yeah. Yeah. I think there's cows in them all. I think there is cows hiding around here as well, on the other side. Dig out. Oh. There's one there, look at him. See him? You see him? The damage they done to crops, or the damage they done to fields.
Because you break your leg in that, look at that.
Yeah, cattle will break their leg. They've done a public service here.
Not only that, like you think the weight of a cow down on top of that there now. You're going for a 2-for-1 again. €7 a box is too rich for you, is it? Try and kill two with one shot. Keep going up, I'll move out when we get past this. Did you miss?
Yeah, back of the leg again. Try and get the one furthest out from the ditch.
Take about 2 steps out to your left and see the big tree. Just underneath it there, there's a fence post and there's one there.
I just used the tongs to lift all the rabbit out. I should have got it on camera. It just fell apart. Look, you can see it there. The whole rabbit just fell apart. It tastes lovely. There's no seasoning. There's nothing on that. That just went in there with plain water. So I'm gonna take all the bones out of there now. Left all the meat, and then I'll have that for me curry, for this week's curry.